Welcome back to Cars Jade, your trusted garage for everything on four wheels. From the sleekest daily drivers to the boldest new SUVs hitting the lot. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that doesn't just define luxury, it redefines it. Meet the 2026 BMW X7, Bavaria's boldest answer to the modern American SUV obsession. But the question is, does this behemoth of Bavarian engineering still deliver the soul of a BMW, or has it gone soft chasing size and comfort? Let's find out. When you hear BMW, your mind likely goes to tight steering, a performance pedigree, and the thrill of the Autobahn. Now apply that formula to a three-row SUV. That's the DNA behind the X7, a flagship SUV that has always strived to balance agility with opulence. And for 2026, BMW has fine-tuned the recipe even further. The first thing that hits you: presence. The X7's updated front fascia carries over the aggressive split headlight design introduced in the 2023 refresh, now with slimmer DRLs, a more sculpted kidney grille, and a sense of modern dominance. It's muscular without being brutish, a design that feels equally at home in Beverly Hills or parked outside a mountain lodge in Colorado. Inside, it's a masterclass in digital luxury. BMW's curved display, combining a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen, wraps the driver in high-resolution control. iDrive 8.5 brings faster, cleaner menus, and with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, tech lovers have nothing to complain about. Gesture control is still here, still gimmicky, but undeniably cool for showing off at valet. Buyers get a choice between three engines, and all of them bring serious firepower. The base xDrive 40i is no slouch, packing a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine with 375 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque, numbers that make most rivals' base models feel undercooked. This isn't a powertrain meant to merely haul, it's tuned to thrill, and it does 0 to 60 in just 5.6 seconds, all while achieving around 23 miles per gallon combined. Not bad for a near 3-ton machine. Now, let's talk money. The 2026 X7 xDrive 40i starts around $83,000, while the V8-powered xDrive 50i jumps to roughly $107,000. The Alpina XB7? Expect to start around $150,000. But by that point, you're shopping emotions, not logic. Let us know in the comments. Hit like if this helped you get a feel for BMW's big beast. And don't forget to subscribe to Cars Jade for more real-world reviews and expert insights on the cars shaping tomorrow's roads.